previous sections, we have discussed about the personal protective equipments, their uses and types. In present section, we will be discussing about the respiratory hygiene and cough etiquette. The following measures are kept in mind to maintain the respiratory hygienes and cough etiquettes. These measures are: use tissue papers during coughing and sneezing, discard the tissue paper, perform hand hygienes when comes in contact with the patient's secretions. Healthcare facilities should ensure the availability of materials to maintain the respiratory hygiene and cough etiquettes in the visiting area for the patients and the visitors. That includes the napkins and provide tissue and no-touch receptacles for used tissue disposal. Provide alcohol-based hand rub. If sinks are available, check the availability of hand washing material such as soap, water and disposable towels. Let us see the steps of respiratory hygiene and how to maintain the respiratory hygiene. Cover your mouth or nose with a tissue when you cough and sneeze. Put your used tissue into a waste basket. If you do not have a tissue, cough or sneeze into your upper sleeves, not your hands. You may be asked to put on a surgical mask to protect others. Step 1. Wet hands with water. Apply enough soap to cover all hand surfaces. Rub your hands palm to palm. Right palm over left dorsum with interlaced finger and vice versa. Palm to palm with finger interlaced. Back of fingers to opposing palms with finger interlocked. Moving to the next step, rotational rubbing of left thumb claps in right palm and vice versa. Rotational rubbing backward and forward with clasped finger of right hand in left palm and vice versa. And the next step is rinse hands with water. Dry your hands thoroughly with a single-use towel. Your hands are now safe. Let's review the question. What are the techniques that we should follow during coughing or sneezing? Option 1. Cover the mouth. Option 2. Cover the nose. Option 3. Use your upper sleeves. And option 4. All of the above. So the right answer is option 4, that is all of the above. In these sections, we have discussed about the respiratory hygiene and what are the steps of maintaining respiratory hygiene.